Hey traders, Uncle Sam here from UncleSamTrading.com. Today I'm beyond excited to share my brand new ultimate RSI VWAP POC indicator oscillator. And the best part, it's completely free on TradingView. This powerful tool combines RSI, VWAP and point of control to help you spot high probability trades with precision. In this video, I will explain how it works, show you how to adjust its settings, and walk through real examples of how profitable and useful it can be. Let's dive in. Alright, so let's start by understanding how this RSI VWAP POC indicator works and why it's such a game changer for traders. This tool combines three powerful concepts, as I mentioned earlier: the relative strength index, RSI, volume weighted average price, VWAP, and the point of control, POC. Here's how they come together to give you an edge. Starting with RSI, that measures momentum to identify overbought and oversold conditions, as we all already know. On this chart, you can see the RSI line in white, typically moving between 0 and 100. However, this is not the case with VWAP. Anyway, when it's above 70, the market is overbought, a potential sell signal. Below 30, the market is oversold, a potential buy signal. Next, we have VWAP. That's the volume weighted average price, which shows where the market true values lies based on trading volume. So instead of calculating RSI on just the closing price, this indicator uses VWAP to make the RSI more accurate and volume sensitive. And finally, we have POC, or point of control. It shows the price level with the highest traded volume in a session. It acts as a key support and resistance level. On the chart, you'll see the POC as a red line with aqua bars around it showing the value area where most of the trading volume occurred. So here's how it all comes together. The indicator takes the VWAP, calculates a smooth RSI based on it, and then overlays market profile data to show the POC and value areas. When the RSI crosses the POC line, it generates buy or sell signals. For example, a crossover above the POC in an oversold zone triggers a SBU label or strong buy, or actually strong breakup. Cross under below the POC in an overbought zone triggers an SPD label, strong sell or strong break down. You'll also notice the background colors: green for bullish trends, red for bearish trends, and shaded zone for overbought and oversold levels. This gives you a clear visual of the market's momentum and key levels, so you can make confident trading decision without second guessing. So now, how to adjust the settings. One of the best things about this indicator is how customizable it is. Let's go into TradingView and look at the settings so you can adjust it to fit your trading style. When you add the RSI VWAP POC Uncle Sam Trading indicator to your chart, click on the settings gear to open the inputs tab. Here's what you can tweak. RSI length default 14. This controls how sensitive the RSI is. A shorter length like 10 makes it more responsive to price changes but can be noisier. A longer length like 20 smooths it out but might lag. I recommend sticking with 14 for most markets, but if you're scalping on lower time frames, try 10. EMA smoothing length default 3. This smooths the RSI line. Increases to 5 or 7 if you want a less choppy line, especially on volatile markets like crypto. Higher time frame default at 45 minutes. This is the time frame for calculating the POC and value areas. On a 1 hour chart like this, 4 hours works well, but if you're trading, let's say, on a 5 minute chart, you might want to set it to 15 minutes for more granular data. Value area percentage default at 100%. This determines how much of the volume profile is highlighted as the value area. Lower to 70% if you want a tighter value area around the POC, which can help you focus on the most significant levels. Show POC line default true. You can toggle this off if you don't want to see the red POC line, but I recommend keeping it. It's a great reference point for support and resistance, actually. Overbought and oversold threshold default 70-30. So these are set to 70 for overbought and 30 for oversold, with secondary levels of 60 and 40. If you're trading a trending market, you might raise the overbought threshold to 80 just to avoid premature sell signals. Show buy sell signals. You can toggle these on or off. However, I truly recommend enabling show strong breakup signals and show strong breakdown signals. Focus on the highest probability trades. Play around with these settings to match your trading strategy. For example, if you're a swing trader on daily chart, you might increase the higher time frame to D, that's daily, and extend the RSI length to 20 for smoother signals. It's really all about finding what works best for you. Now let's see this indicator in action and explore how you can use it to spot profitable trades. We're looking at 1 hour Bitcoin chart with the indicator set at 4 hour higher time frame, and I will walk you through a few examples to show you how useful this tool can be. Let's start on April 6th at 12. The RSI climbs into the overbought zone above 70. You can see the red background warming up. Then it crosses below the POC line, triggering a SBD label for strong sell. The background turns red, signaling a potential reversal. On the price chart, Bitcoin was at 82,000 at this point. After the signal, the price drops sharply to 74,600. That's 9% drop. Now, if you caught the reversal signal, a SBU strong buy, when the RSI crossed back above the POC later, you will lock in around a 7% profit on the bounce. That's a fantastic trade. With the 5x leverage, let's say, that 7% turns into a 35% profit on your position. This indicator helps you time your exits and entries for maximum gains. Next, let's look at April 7th at 4. The RSI dips into the oversold zone below 30. You can see the green background highlighting the zone. Then the RSI crosses above the POC line, triggering a SBU label for strong buy. The background turns green, confirming a bullish trend. On the price chart, Bitcoin was around 76,200 at this point. After the signal, the price rallies to $81,200. That's a 6% gain. Now, imagine getting out at just 5% profit with a conservative 5-time leverage. That's a 25% profit on your position. A huge win. This indicator does not just give you signals. It helps you capture big moves with confidence. You know what? One thing I truly love about this indicator is how it helps you avoid bad trades. Let's look at Wednesday, April 9. The RSI hits the POC line and Bitcoin is at 76,200. At first glance, you might think it's a sell signal because the RSI is crossing the POC, but there is no SBD label. Why? Because the RSI isn't in the overbought zone and the trend isn't confirmed by the background color. Good thing we did not short. The price actually continued moving up after this point. If you had entered a short without proper risk management, you could have faced a big loss. This indicator filters out lots of noise, so you're not jumping into trades without confirmation, saving you from costly mistakes. These examples show how the RSI VWAP POC indicator gives you clear, actionable signals while helping you avoid false moves to the max. It's all about trading smarter, not harder. So in short, let's talk about the profitability and usefulness of this indicator. In the examples we just looked at, we saw a 9% drop on the sell signal with 7% profit on the reversal buy. That's a fantastic round trip. We also saw 5-6% gain on the buy signal, which could netted you a 25% profit with 5 times leverage. If you exit at 5%, that's some serious potential. But it's not just about the profits, it's about consistency. The RSI VWAP POC indicator helps you spot high probability trades. The combination of RSI VWAP POC on 4-hour time frame in our example ensures you're trading at key levels where the market is likely to react. It also helps you manage the risk overbought and oversold zones, along with trend confirmation, help you avoid bad trades and protect your capital. And of course, it saves you time, as the clear buy and sell signals mean you don't have to spend hours analyzing charts. The indicator does the heavy lifting for you. I've honestly used this indicator across various markets, crypto, Forex, even stocks, and it consistently identifies high probability setups. Whether you are a day trader, a swing trader, or scalper, this tool can definitely fit into your strategy and help you trade with more confidence. All right, before I wrap up, I want to let you know that this indicator is just the beginning. Over at my website, unclesamtrading.com, I offer my top trading indicators in all-in-one package for just $29 a month. That includes all my current indicators and any new ones I release in the future. So head over to unclesamtrading.com to check it out and take your trading to the next level. Alright, so that's it, traders. My RSI VWAP POC indicator is now live and free on TradingView. Go add it to your chart and start spotting those high probability trades. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, and let's make those profits.